Okay, guys, today we're talking about the most talked about financial instrument of them all. We're talking about the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin really, made history the way that it crept into news, the way that it crept into the mainstream media, to pop culture. And it's been a common misconception that it is highly unpredictable, that the movement is just too volatile and it's dangerous, it can drop to zero. All kind of things were said about the Bitcoin, but let's focus on what's going to happen, what happened, and how you can make money from it. So let's begin. In 2018, 2017, the market went up from $700 all the way to $20,000 in a very, very, very quick movement. But then it just consolidated and came down between December 17, January 18, all the way to September 20. So what happened here is we had lower highs right there. Let's change the color of this to be a little more visible. We had lower highs all this time and a breakout that took place actually July 20, retested September 20, is what sparked a rally from $10,000 to $65,000 in a matter of 6 months. So that was very crazy. That was also very technical. What managed to bring the price higher is the breakout right here, July 20. So it wasn't unpredictable. The situation with COVID, the inflation, they're all very strong fundamental backups to why Bitcoin would be going up. And this was hand in hand with the technical aspect, which basically helped the market rally by 650% in around 6 months. So that's really, really, really incredible. Now, let's focus on what's happening and at the moment and what's likely to take place. So we see that there is consolidation, but this consolidation is with higher lows. That's quite visible on first glance, and lower highs right here, but also higher highs right there. So our range is expected to be from $35,000 all the way to 42 and a half. Once 42 and a half is going to break, we're very likely to go for a new high, which would be at around 70,000. So this is possible once 42 and a half is broken. Also, that is possible, 37,500. Also, with an extreme spike, the market could potentially drop to around 32 to $35,000. So what do I think? I think that the Bitcoin may or may not drop between $5,000 to $8,000, but the much higher probability, supported by inflation, supported by COVID, supported by the war, supported by lack of government stability, which right now is global, lack of supply, demand, export, import. The Bitcoin is a very rational hedge to all of that. So the upside here could be really drastic. The downside, I don't think it's that significant. I don't think that the downside is back to $10,000 or $15,000, as I heard some people say. It's technically possible, but it is much, much, much less likely. We are already down by a few good tens of thousands of dollars from the high point. That's a sufficient enough correction to refuel and charge to a new high. I think that the buy entry right now could be extremely attractive. And just trade carefully. Don't trade leveraged with amounts which you cannot afford to lose. Be smart with your investment. Consider a drop to 30,000 in your risk management. If you're very, very conservative, consider a drop back to the support at 20,000 even, to have enough to buy more, or just wait it out. Don't try and make $1 million from Bitcoin overnight. It's just not something that you can count on, but it's something that can definitely happen. It's something that is worth your money, worth your time. So trade it smart, and good luck. Thank you for listening. And please like and follow. I'm not working right now. This is all I'm doing. And I would really appreciate if you guys would support with your likes and follows. Thank you.